So really quick, I just wanted to tell you about this Senven clear coat. We got this to do the front of our Silverado 2024 1500. The problem with these trucks is it's got a painted lower bumper, and so it's just a matter of time before you start getting dings with little rusty marks. I was able to get some matching touch-up paint, and then I needed some clear coat to go on top, a kind that is nice and hard so I don't need to worry about it next time. And so I got this kind. This was highly rated. You can see they give you a nice big bottle. Another great thing about this is they give you a number of different applicators too. If you're just doing a small touch-up, you use this one. This is the one I used. And if you're doing a larger surface, you have a brush, and then they also have this little tool for leveling things out. If you're filling in a scratch and you need to level it off, this works really well for that. So the front of my bumper is not very clean right now, but what you're noticing is the bugs. You can't see the scratches anymore. There's one right there that I filled in and used the touch-up, and just from a few feet away, you can't see it. It used to be like a bright red rust spot. So this clear coat's been on there for a couple weeks now. Works really well. So huge thanks to the brand for sending this out for review.